Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Sensor dashcam. In this video I'll show you camera preview. So firstly, let's take a look on the front of the camera. Right here we've got the small display and some buttons. Of course, we've got the power button, selection buttons, mode button and confirmation button. Basically, that's everything for the front of the camera. Now let's take a look on the sides. On the left side of the camera we've got the SD card slot, AV output and USB port. This one is the mini USB. Now let's take a look on the back of the camera. Of course, right here we've got the camera that can move only upwards and downwards, and of course we've got the place to attach the holder. Now let's take a look at the other side of the camera, where we can find only the reset button. To use it, I think you'll have to find some kind of the needle, for example the one to open the SIM card tray in your smartphone. Of course we've got the speaker right here, and that's basically it. Let's take a look on the holder this time. So this is the typical suction holder we can find in most of the cameras, this type. And the last accessory we've got is the mini USB cable with the other USB side to power up our camera. So let me power up it and we'll check how it looks from the inside. Right now we've got the notification to insert the car. Let me just zoom in a little bit. So on the homepage of the camera we can check the current mode, date, if the camera is charging, we've got the SD card inserted, hours remaining of the recording, the microphone status. Let's press mode button. Now we can go to resolution, cycling record, WDR function, exposure, motion detection, audio, date stamp, gravity sensing and parking monitor. Then we can go to setup and manage Wi-Fi, date and time, auto power off, beep sound, language, frequency, screensavers, license, format, or restore default settings of the camera. Then we can check the version of the system. And that's basically it. As you can see right away, we can check the visual from the camera. And more will be in next videos. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.